Ice cream is such a summer favorite, and this 3-ingredient vanilla ice cream is so easy to make. This ice cream turns out really soft and creamy, and you do not need to use an ice cream machine to make it. You can easily add in different extracts to this ice cream to create more flavors, or add different cookies, sauces, or candies. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Use a hand or stand mixer and mix the heavy cream on a high speed for about 5 to 8 minutes. Stop mixing once the heavy cream forms stiff peaks. In another large bowl, add 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir these ingredients together until the vanilla extract is fully mixed in. If you are adding any other flavors or want to substitute the vanilla extract, add it to the sweetened condensed milk now. Start adding about 1 cup of the whipped heavy cream into the sweetened condensed milk. Gently fold the heavy cream into the mixture. If you love ice cream and want to see ice cream reviews, check out Matt's Ice Cream Show. He posts a new video weekly reviewing a ton of different brands of ice cream. Check the video description below for a link to his channel. Continue this process until the whipped heavy cream has all been added. The end consistency should be light and soft. Check out different ice cream topping recipes in the link above or in the video description below. Pour the mixture into a 9x5 loaf pan. And freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight if possible. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.